Uy, RJ, happy birthday. Love you.
Hi Jay! Happy belated birthday! Ayun, lalo kitang na-miss habang ginagawa ko yung video na to kasi tignan mo yung nasa likod ko. Ganyan pa itsura natin nung una tayo nagkita sa newsroom. Joke lang. Ayun, I just wanna say thank you kasi you've been supportive, lalo na nung magkasama pa tayo sa office. Kahit na hindi tayo masyado nakakapag-usap ngayon, alam ko naman solid pa rin yung friendship natin and yun, bawi ako when I get back. And stay happy. I love you and I miss you.
Hello, Kuya Rijan. Happy birthday. I wish you all the wisdom in life and that you get to achieve whatever it is that you want in your life ahead. Always remember that life is race with smile on your face. May God bless you all the time. Happy birthday.
Belated happy birthday, RJ. More blessings and good luck always.
Hello dong, Rijan. Happy birthday, oh belated happy birthday. God bless you always. And more blessings to come. Ingat ka lagi.
Rijan, happy birthday! Hinaot ang tagdong, daghang pangtuig imong maagian sa imong birthday.
Birthday, Kuya Rijan! God bless you always. Mag-diet na ka dong.
Hi Jan, happy birthday! More years to come and God bless you.
Diyan, nautaon-ta, ngatagaan pa ta kanunay sa mayong lawas. Ug hatagan ta kanunay og damong happy birthday sa Ginoo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Rijan. Mag-ingat ka sa imong trabaho o manghinaot ko nga nakas mayong panglawas o maabot pa ta sa mga katuigan nga dugay pang panahon ta. Puhon tagang-tag may lawas.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Rijan.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Belated happy birthday kuya. Diet na ay nasig kaon og mga bawal nya tagag mayong lawas o amping pirmi have a blast.
Happy birthday Kuya. Wish you all the very best. Thank you for everything.
Hi Kuya, belated happy birthday. Good health and more blessing to come in your life. God bless.